Tunggu sebentar kepada presenter 002. Kami sedang menyiapkan timer. Peserta 002, bisa kita mulai?
Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening to everyone, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues and friends. Thank you for being here. Today I would like to present a journal entitled Between Ideality and Reality, an analysis of challenge of developing cross-cultural counselor competence in the context of Topos Lira, value in Japanese culture. This study discussed the importance of cross-cultural competence for counselor, especially in multicultural society. We also highlight the local Japanese value called Topos Lira, which teach empathy, respect, and sensitivity toward others. We believe that combining modern counseling knowledge with local wisdom can improve the quality of counseling service. Next slide. Let me begin with the introduction. In today, diverse society counselors work with individual from many cultural backgrounds, belief, and experience. The diversity creates both opportunity and challenge in counseling practice. However, in reality, conflicts such as bullying in Cilacap, which junior high school student was bullied because of group identity and lack of solidarity. Second, in Purwokerto, West Java, several high school students taunted teacher in class, used offensive language, and even raised their middle finger toward the teacher. In this case, shown that empathy, respect, and social awareness are still lacking among some students. This situation highlights the need for counselor who combines professional competence with local wisdom, such as Topos Lira. It's next. Let me explain. This study uses literature review methods. We collect the analysis from books, journals, and scientific articles relate to counselor competence, multicultural counseling, and the value of the Topos Lira. Next. At this point, let's explore the core findings of this study. First, many counselors still face cultural limitation when working with clients from different backgrounds. Sometimes they may not fully understand the client value, communication style, or life experience. This can affect the counseling process. Secondly, there is still lack of integration of cultural value in counseling practice. Many approach focus mainly on general theory, while local wisdom is often overlooked. In this context, Topos Lira offers an important contribution. This value teach empathy, tolerance, and sensitivity toward others. It encourage counselor to better understand client feeling and perspective. As a result, Toposliro can strengthen the counselor-client relationship by creating trust, respect, and emotional comfort. And last but not least, when local wisdom is applied, counseling become more contextual and relevant and effective for the client's real life situation. Counselor training program should include local cultural value, not just general theories. Okay, in the conclusion, cross-cultural competence is highly important for effective counseling service in modern society. However, true competence should be rooted not only in theory, but also in cultural wisdom. Toposliro provides valuable principles of empathy, respect, and awareness that can help counselors become more humanistic, professional, and culturally responsive. So, the next session is Q&A. Saya speak with bahasa. Apakah ada apakah ada yang pertanyaan atau sesuatu yang ingin didiskusikan?
Pertama, atas pemaparan yang telah disampaikan. Selanjutnya kita memasuki sesi tanya jawab bagi peserta yang ingin mengajukan pertanyaan kepada presenter. Pertama, dipersilakan menggunakan fitur raise hand atau menuliskan pertanyaannya di kolom chat. Kepada peserta yang lain, apakah ada yang ingin bertanya? Silakan mengaktifkan raise hand atau menuliskan pertanyaan di kolom chat.
Baik, terima kasih kepada presenter. Saya izin bertanya terkait materi sampai di Kosma tadi. Saya ingin bertanya, apakah nilai lokal seperti Toposliro yang dijelaskan oleh materi tadi bisa diterapkan secara menyeluruh kepada semua klien, atau justru malah berpotensi menimbulkan bias budaya baru? Terima kasih, saya kembalikan kepada presenter.
Menurutku kan Toposliro kan juga
Recording stopped.
nggak bakal menimbulkan krisis. Bisa diterapkan ke semua klien. Iya, harus nggak sih? Apa bisa? Iya, oke.
Sebelumnya, kepada Bapak Ibu, bisa di-share kembali pertanyaannya kepada kode 008 ke chat. Baik, terima kasih kepada kode 008. Kepada presenter disilakan untuk menjawab pertanyaan yang telah tersedia.
Untuk Toposliro ini itu bisa diaplikasikan ya, bukan? Tapi diterapkan secara universal karena Toposliro ini kan mengangkat apa ya? Mengangkat tentang bagaimana empati dan respect kepada klien gitu. Apakah ada feedback?
Baik, berarti ini kan bisa diterapkan secara universal, berarti tidak berpotensi menimbulkan bias budaya.
Iya, jadi secara kemungkinan Toposliro ini tidak dapat menimbulkan bias gitu. Bias kultur, nggak sih?
Baik, terima kasih atas jawabannya.
Terus